Hi guys, Jag here, your Office 365 daily vlogger. Yesterday I've released a sixth episode of the Stories of Modern Work podcast where I spoke to Joel about various aspects of Office 365, yeah? And one of the aspects that we've covered is around OneDrive for files on demand and, how it's really a game changer. So that made me think, right? I was like contemplating on, what's the next Office 365 app or service that I'm going to talk about as part of my vlogs. Yesterday I did mention that I'm contemplating between Yammer versus OneDrive. So I've made up my mind. So based on what Joel spoke about OneDrive for Business and how it's a game changer and all, so I've decided to concentrate on OneDrive for Business for the next few weeks in my vlogs. One of the questions that I've been recently seeing asked is especially around, because OneDrive for Business actually gives you ability to use unlimited storage. Okay, so because it does have unlimited storage, people do ask me, can I use it as an archiving solution? Okay, where I can actually upload my corporate data, that legacy data that's sitting in file shares or hard disks or whatnot. Can I actually upload all of that data into OneDrive for Business and use it as an archiving solutions? Okay, can I use it to store backups of other systems? Things like that. The answer is no. OneDrive for Business is not meant for to be used as an archiving solution. Okay, it's actually it's not a cloud storage which is accessible by everybody, and you can set up access permissions for others to use it as an archiving solution. So it's actually meant for personal work files. Okay, each OneDrive for business account is tied to a personal account, tied to your work account. Okay, so anything that's dropped into that particular OneDrive for Business storage account is accessible by that person unless he otherwise allows, explicitly shares it with the other team members in the organization. Okay, so for that reason, don't use Office 365 OneDrive for Business as an archiving solution. Okay, though it says it's a cloud storage, it's cloud storage, yeah, but for personal work files only. Okay, I'll leave a link to the service description of OneDrive for Business in the comments below, so that you can actually read about this as well. It is part of terms of service as well, so you can't use it for create a service account and assign a OneDrive for Business license and dump a whole bunch of files into it. Okay. All right, there you have it. So I've answered that question around whether using OneDrive for Business can be used for an archiving solution or not. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos around OneDrive for Business in the coming vlogs. Thanks a lot. Cheers.